busy homemakers. How are you? And today we are talking about what is happening in December in Deb's Decorative Light Tips and Inspiration Group. I am Deb. You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal home, office, and kitchen consultant. And we'll also be getting into we'll be talking about closets and your craft room. We're going to get into that. All right. First thing I'm going to start with is, welcome to the new ladies. I've had a lot of new ladies join the group. And hey, Heather, it's so nice to see you. And it's here it is, comes December 1st, and we are rocking and rolling. I want to say thank you to all of those ladies that have PM'd me with what you want to see for the challenge. And thank you for being specific and saying what you needed and what you wanted to see. I do appreciate that. The challenge was I thought it was going in one direction, and then after the direct messages I got, it was neck and neck before between the office and the kitchen. And I was surprised at where it went, because come Thanksgiving weekend, I was busy with direct messages from you wonderful ladies telling me what you wanted to see. We are going into the office for our challenge for December, the week of December 13th. Now, for the women that are new to the group, I'm just going to give you a quick little thing. I'm Deb. I started out as a lifestyle blogger. I have my own blog. I've always talked about household hacks and life hacks. I'm an author. I'm a home organizer. That's where my blog took me. And now we are getting into the office, the craft room, the closets, and we're still going to keep the kitchen, to me, is my main focus, because that's the heart of the home where the family gathers. So that's still there. Now, coming up for December with this challenge, ladies, we are getting into our offices. We're getting into that office space. I don't care whether you have got a little desk in a corner, because as you know, I'm moving my office space from a crowded room with a lot of traffic into a little room, and I'm changing everything around in the house to accommodate this. And it hasn't been easy moving everything around, I will say that. So, we are going to get in the office. Not only are we going to declutter our papers, ladies, we are going to recreate our office space. I'm working on a challenge now. You see all my papers. It's back and forth, double-sided, working on it, getting it all ready. There is going to be so much meat and bones in this challenge for you. Yeah, I like my pun, meat and bones, with the kitchen. It just came to me. So anyway, now, come next week, which is the week of the 6th, that Thursday, which should be the 9th, for this challenge, those of you that are interested in doing this office challenge in the group, of recreating your whole office, taking a really good look in it, sitting back, looking at it, really looking at it. We're going to discuss all the meat, all the bones that go with it. So anyway, we're going to, on that Thursday, on that live, you're already going to get your homework for the week ahead. You're like, what? We don't get homework ahead of time. Well, guess what? You're getting homework ahead of time. And that homework's going to help both you and me in the group. It'll help both of us. This homework's going to be mandatory, ladies. It's not going to be hard. It's going to be easy. But you do need to take 5 or maybe 7, 10 minutes if you want. You get creative with it. pull out your markers, your crayons, whatever. We're going to get creative. We're going to have fun. I'm going to be doing the homework too. I will have my homework ready. Same time you will as we start the challenge. Not only am I going to have my homework ready, I have to have the challenge ready for you. So we can recreate our offices. Hey, Gail Bossy, nice to see you. Hey, friends, nice to see you too. Happy to see everybody here. If you didn't catch the beginning, go back and catch it. I'm talking about the challenge and what's going on in the group in December. You're going to need that for the challenge. Oh, we are going to have so much fun with it. I'm already looking for my markers and I've got ideas. Oh, have I got ideas? So come Thursday, the 9th, the December 9th, you'll be getting your homework for the challenge. For those of you that want to get in your office, declutter your papers, and really, really take a good look at it. Now, December, I know we've got Christmas in there. Christmas, poinsettia, my pen. By the way, I made this anyway, just so you know. That's me. I love doing stuff like that. Now, like I said, we'll be doing the office challenge. My nice little mouse pad that my husband bought for me for my new office space. I'm so happy with it. Anyway, we've got Christmas coming. So I know everybody's going to be busy cleaning their house, wrapping presents, shopping. The kids are going to be home for the 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks in December. I get that. That's why we're doing the challenge early. And the homework I'm giving you for the challenge is not hard at all. In fact, the first homework, so you have it the day we start the challenge. Easy, simple, fun. Get your creative juices flowing. Get you really thinking about it. I'm not going to say what it is. I want it to be a nice surprise. Like I said, I'll be doing it too. I'll be showing you my homework the first day we start the challenge on the 13th. Now, those of you that haven't done a challenge with us before, I like to make the challenges fun but simple and easy. I don't want to take up an hour of your time and all that. I'll briefly get on, do what I have, give you what I have to give you for the information, and then we're gonna let you run with it. You're gonna run with it because you're gonna have so many ideas running through your head. You're gonna be rocking and rolling on this too. And I may give you some pre-homework coming up that Tuesday. Next Tuesday, the 7th, December 7th. In fact, I think I will. I'm going to write that down. Of course, my pen doesn't want to write this anymore. I think it just ran out of gas. Okay, 7th. I'm going to give you a little bit of homework that's going to take you 3 minutes. Nothing to write down. Nothing to worry about. Just something you got to do. It'll take you at 3 minutes. You could get it done 3 minutes, maybe 5. I have to remember on the 7th when I get a new pen here that works. Now it's working. Okay, now for this challenge, like I always say, don't forget, invite your best friend or your bestie or somebody that you know online well that wants to do the challenge with you. If you need an accountability partner. If you don't have an accountability partner or need one, put a post in the group or DM me and let me know and I will assign you one so that you have it for the challenge. Because when it comes time for this challenge, you're already going to have, we're going to be talking about the office already. So you're going to be like, ooh, yeah, that makes sense. I know, I got that in mind, this in mind, that in mind. And I'm sure you're thinking now, like, office. So we're gonna get that all done the beginning of the month. Like I said, it's not that hard. It shouldn't interrupt. The replay stays up there till Sunday in the group. So you have all the replays for that. And so anybody that joins later, you will have it. And so, after the week of the challenge ends 13, the 17th. That's when the kids get out of school. We're going to lie low this last 2 weeks of December. Because I know you want to be out with the kids. You're shopping with the kids. You're decorating the Christmas tree, the last minute Christmas tree stuff if you want to get that up. Or some of you are just still getting your real tree that weekend and stuff. Got family coming in town. I get it. I know I'm going to have family coming in town too. So I know what's going on. And again, I'll be cooking. I'll be cleaning. I'll be baking. You know how that goes. So, that is what's going to happen in December in the group. If you have any questions, oh, that's what I did want to mention to you ladies. I've got a lot of new women in the group. Go ahead. It's okay to go ahead and post your questions about closet organization, kitchen organization, decluttering, your craft room, so that we can help you, we can answer the questions. If you can, ladies, be specific. Say, I don't know what, be a little bit more specific. I'll give you an example. What color should I paint my bedroom? Give me a little bit more specific. A lot of it depends, like if your room is big, small. I don't like dark colors. I don't like light colors. I like neutral colors. I need to make it look bigger. What do you want it to do? Do you want it to look bigger? Do you want to make it look darker? You want it darker at night when you're sleeping? When you post your questions, be specific as possible. Or you want storage ideas. Give me the room. And say the only space I have open is maybe 3x5 space on the wall. The whole wall 3x5 space. That's what I have to work with. What do I put in that corner? Be a little bit specific. Because when you ask a general question, can I get some storage ideas for my kitchen? I don't, and let me know what you want to store. Is it the food items? Is it small appliances? Is it pots and pans that you need it for? Because then we can give you a better idea as to whether you need a rolling cart or if you got room for a little square cabinet pantry. All I'm asking is that you try to be as specific as possible and even include a picture if you can. If you're brave enough to share a picture, please do so in the group, because that really helps us. So we can't picture your kitchen in our head if you don't share it with us, or unless you give us some greater detail. And because we want to help each other. We want to help each other get organized, get decluttered. We want to do it simpler. We want to do it easier. We want to do it faster. We want to spend more time with our families. So the more specific you are in the beginning, it helps all of us in the group. I will also be posting about the challenge too, as it's coming up. And I'll be asking you some questions that I would appreciate your feedback on. And I'll have, just like I said, on the 7th, I'll have a little bit of something you got to think about. But then come the 9th, you're going to have your homework, because you're getting ready for the 14th. As long as you have the homework ready for the 14th, because I can guarantee you that as I'm going through the challenge, you're going to be looking at that homework that you did. And you're going to want some extra paper with you, because you're going to be jotting down notes. This challenge is going to be very different than the ones we did before in the kitchen. We did the Declutter Your Worst cabinet and the most used and least used utensils. This one, we're really getting into the meats and guts of everything. So you're going to want to have your paper handy and your homework handy, because you're going to look at your homework and you're like, oh, that's a good idea. And then you're going to be like, Just a reminder, ladies. So, on that note, if you missed half of the video, go back and watch it so you know what's going on in December. And I will pop in next Tuesday, like I always do. I hope you ladies have a wonderful weekend. And again, invite your friends to the group if you want an accountability partner. If you know you're going to need one, put a post in the group and go ahead or DM me and I'll be glad to find you one. Because we're going to recreate our office space, ladies. I'll catch up with you later. I'll see you in the group and I'll catch on to next Tuesday. Thank you, ladies. Bye. Thank you, Heather. Have a wonderful weekend too, my wonderful ladies. Bye.